What is up, everyone? John Flores here, and for today's episode, I'm gonna teach you how to cook. This is really exciting. Some crispy sisig. So before we start, make sure you're gonna hit that subscribe button right now, and just right beside that, ring that bell para wala kayong ma-miss na upload ko. And in this episode, this is the first time na mag-i-insert ako ng konting mga filmmaking stuffs. If I may say, I'm not that professional, pero napapractice lang. And I hope you will enjoy instead of the boring, cooking tutorials. All you see is food. Instead, we're gonna make it fun and creative para maiba naman. So, yeah, I hope you like this one. Wow! Crispy sisig. Crispy sisig. No, I just had crispy sisig. Anyway, this recipe is gonna be, just warning, yung mga matataas yung yung mga matataas yung blood pressure dyan, dahan-dahan lang tayo dito kasi this is fat. This is fried. But yeah, it is crispy and delicious. Instead of the pork mask, the traditional way of cooking sisig, instead of grilling them, we're gonna use pork belly. Kasi as of now, medyo mahirap and mas, yung process ng pagluluto, if you're gonna use the mask, is way more difficult. So this one is very easy. So you guys can try it at home. And come on, pork belly is just everywhere, guys. So yeah, without further ado, game. that is it for this episode, everyone. I hope you had fun. I hope you will try it at home as usual. Yan yung sinasabi ko, pero it will keep on going. Yan yung ding sasabihin ko the next episode. So yeah, please try that at home and be the judge. Say for yourself, try this at home and let me know what you think. Never forget to follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page. Yes, I have another Facebook page sa little business on the side ko. So yeah, please support that as well. And yeah, for the sisig, I guess that was really that was really good. Trust me. And it will remain crispy. I made that around 4 p.m. and then we ate dinner around 6:37. It was still crispy. It was still really good. Better yet, if you have some sizzling plate, do that. And I don't have any. I should buy one. I should tomorrow. If there's an open shop, I should get one. But yeah, that is it for this cooking tutorial. And one more thing. One last thing. Maybe from this point on, medyo we're gonna tweak our concept here instead of just the usual cooking tutorial. I'm gonna speak more. I'm gonna talk more. If you don't mind. If you mind, just, I don't know, skip the talking part and proceed to the cooking tutorial. But don't do that. Basta, what I'm trying to do is incorporate cooking tutorial in a vlog. I don't know how I'll do that, pero yeah, let's do that, man. On the next episode. Stay safe. God bless. Peace.